I've already had this on, so, but I just shut it off to go through the motions and show you. It lights up really nicely, and then you just choose what kind of tea, and it'll tell you right up here it's going to heat to 175. It's already at 85 because I already turned it on before I started this video, and then I thought to show you. Really nice sizes. You can hear it heating up. It sounds really loud right now because there's hardly any water in it. I just want enough for 1 cup right now. It's normally not that loud. But look at how fast it heats up. It has a very sturdy handle. This button is easy to use to fill it. It's a nice size. I'll kind of give you a view of my cabinet there so you can see. Here's my hand for reference, and a cup. And it heats up really fast. The little tone that it rings is not very loud at the end, but it's not that big of a deal. It's a really nice kettle, electric kettle. I'm going to see if I can make this, if this video is not too long, you can hear the ding at the end because it's almost done here. So that's it. That's the only thing that's the only negative thing I can say about it. I don't have my tea bag in here yet, but you can see how hot that gets even at the at 175. It's still very hot. And then it'll shut off by itself, but where you can just shut it off. Whoops. It's really nice.